Hi everyone, here we've got Samsung Galaxy M12 and let me share with you how to clear credentials on this device. So firstly we've got the settings, we have to enter them, and now let's scroll down in order to find biometrics and security. Now let's scroll down to the very bottom and tap on other security settings, and here we've got whole credential storage, and at the very bottom of it we've got clear credentials option. So let's tap on it. Your device is asking you if you'd like to remove all the contents, so simply tap on OK. And as you can see, the credential storage has been erased successfully. So actually that's all. This is how to remove credentials in your Samsung Galaxy M12. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.